Hi guys, that is what I think is the best way to brush or comb your hair.
Hey guys, and you put a hair elastic around it. I don't have one. I'm so sorry. Wait a minute.
Hey guys, I'm a big fan of Amy Lee and I absolutely love her hair.
Hey guys, so today in makeup history we are going to go over the 17th century. And lastly I'm going to draw my little patch. Hey guys, so today in Arts of Hair I am going to do the hairstyle of one of the muses from Botticelli's Primavera. And that is the finished look. Hey guys, today I'm going to share my 5 product phase with you. I think it's a good idea to kind of have your 5 essential products. Hey guys, welcome to my new historical beauty series where I'm going to recreate the hair, makeup and somewhat of the style of historical beauty icons. Hey guys, today I wanted to do a little throwback. Alright, you've seen the title, I'm gonna do it. Oh my god, there's no way back! This is it, I cut my bangs. Hey guys, today is the day I finally show you around our Amsterdam apartment. This is my makeup storage. Hey guys, I am coming at you from the park today because my house for the past 3 days has sounded like this. Not the best environment to film in, so I've come to the park for a little bit of peace and quiet, some flowers. Oh my gosh guys, it's so beautiful here. And there's no one here, so I don't have to feel awkward about filming in public. Anyways, what I really wanted to talk about today is, as you probably guessed by the title, last Monday, it was exactly 10 years ago that I signed up on YouTube and made an account. Just move to the shade so hopefully you can see me a little bit better. Anyways, it has been 10 years since I joined YouTube. I have been on YouTube for 10 years. Can you believe that? It is insane to me. So crazy. I was 15 years old when I started, when I uploaded my first YouTube video, which I'm pretty sure was called Romantic Updo. It's not on YouTube anymore. I ended up deleting that. Before privating a video was even an option, so it's not there anymore. But yeah, I was 15, which means that quite literally, some of you have watched me grown up, or actually grown up with me, which is so special. I find it really hard to actually realize how amazing that is, and how big and special that is, that we have had such an impact on each other's lives. I mean, of course, I don't know how big my impact has been on your life, but I do know that some people have actually been watching me for the full 10 years, or almost the full 10 years. But even if you've only been watching me for 6 years, I mean, I know some YouTubers that I watch that I've been watching for several years on end. I feel really connected to them in a strange way, even though obviously they don't know me or who I am. And I do actually feel that same connection with you guys, and it's a really big part of my life and really special and precious to me. So I guess I mainly just wanted to thank you guys so much for being here for the past 10 years, making all of this possible. I feel so incredibly grateful that I get to do this as a full-time job now and, you know, dedicate my life to doing something I really enjoy. YouTube has evolved so much over these 10 years. I remember 10 years ago it was something completely different to what it is nowadays. The videos were mostly cat videos, music videos, which were uploaded illegally, I'm pretty sure. You had a few beauty gurus, like the first one, the OG beauty gurus, and then your vloggers. I remember those were super popular back then. The mostly guys they were, that would just talk to a camera about something with all these like super dramatic jump cuts. It was also quick paced and everything. And that was kind of what YouTube was back then, and everything was filmed on a webcam, and then slowly production quality went up and money became involved, and it just changed into something different. And I don't necessarily feel like it is worse, because there is so much valuable content on YouTube now, which you know, wouldn't have been possible 10 years ago. You know, change is inevitable and some change is good, and I'm just really grateful that I am still around and still able to do this after all of these years. What is this? I just wanted to let you know that I am not planning on going anywhere as long as YouTube still works. As long as people want to watch my videos, I will be here to make videos for you guys. So I guess this is a good opportunity for me to kind of ask you what type of content you would like to see from me in the future. Because, you know, I have been here for 10 years. I have been doing roughly the same thing for 10 years, mostly hair tutorials, a little bit of lifestyle stuff, more kind of elaborate like fantasy and history inspired hair tutorials, but also been delving into more like kind of cooking and lifestyle and kind of health videos and things like that. You know, I guess I just want to say, shoot your requests at me. Anything you would want to see, no matter if it's, you know, something I used to do, something I do now, or something I have never done before, related to what I do or not. I would love to just read loads and loads of ideas and kind of see what it is that you guys actually expect from me. Oh, and also do let me know what your favorite type of content is that I already do, so that I know that that is actually something that you guys enjoy watching and something that I should continue doing. So yeah, once again, thank you so much. This is a massive milestone for me, and I'm just very grateful to have you guys along for the ride. So thank you. So I think I'm gonna end here, get off the ground in the park. So yeah, be sure to leave me your requests and your favorites and just anything you want to, you know, share down in the comments below. As always, I'll be there to reply whenever I can. So thank you so much for watching this video as well, guys, and I will see you very soon in the next one. Bye guys.